Hi Google team, this is one of the developers from the MaishaFiti app. Wanted to explain on why our bundle was using the foreground service data sync, as it has been struck down by your team because of the explicit use of the foreground service data sync. This is an explanation to maybe prove to you guys that we're not the ones who are actually using the foreground service data sync, but is actually being added by the asset delivery library that's provided by Google. I've added two reference links for that. You can find them along this, I believe, line 3. You'll find the asset delivery and the current version that we're using, and also a link to the documentation rather, or the release notes of why we had to move to that version, and it's basically to support Android version 14. I would therefore like to illustrate to you guys how that manifest permission is being merged into our bundle through the use of the asset delivery library. The purpose we're using the asset delivery library is for dynamic feature modules. So I'll open up my Android Studio on my MaishaFiti application. Here, this is the main Android manifest file. Even you can see on the left tab on the Android view, you can see that we have some dynamic feature modules like auth, home, and so on. Some of them install time and some of them on demand as we're proceeding to another phase of development. Here we have the Android foreground service data sync that is bringing up the policy issue. If we scroll down to the right, on the right here you can see the highlighted text that this library is being added from the asset delivery library version 2.1.0. We could not downgrade also because we also need support for version 14. So this is just a proof to show you guys that we're not actually actively adding this foreground service data sync, but is actually being part of the asset delivery library. Just also to further strengthen our point, I think you can even maybe try to search for foreground service data sync in the scope filter, and you'll find that here the one that we've had, again, it's coming from the asset delivery library. So that's just our submission, the video submission. We've also extensively explained it in text form in the prompt that you guys provided in the Play console. Please review it, and we await for your feedback. Thank you.